Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got a QuietKat Rubicon in. So this is our first one. It came in 2 days. We were not expecting that, and it came just with, I think, FedEx. So yeah, just showed right up. This is how they come. I guess if you order one, if you get it from us here at A&M Moto Toys, of course, I suppose you can get it like this, but we're probably more or less going to put them together, typically just because storing boxes around is going to be a pain. We want to make sure everything's good to go in the box without having damage that, 6 months down the road, you open a box and have issues.
Yep.
So, there will probably be a little setup fee, but it won't be huge or anything. We're not going to mess around with people on that.
It allows us to take care of warranty claims right away too. So
Yeah, so we'll be doing warranty claims. We can get accessory parts and all that. And we'll probably buy some accessories like the bigger seats and whatnot to have in here. But of course, this is our demo unit, rental unit. And yeah, if you want to come check one out, we got them in stock now. Ooh, what's in there?
whew, man, it's
Nice.
like
I already took one piece of foam out, by the way, so I did kind of cheat, but look at that tire. They look pretty grippy. I mean, I don't know too much about these type of tires, fat tires, if that's a good tire or not, but we'll find out.
Opening this box was like getting the pants off your first girlfriend, you know?
Got seat handlebars, more foam. Let's go ahead and I guess rip into it and see how she's packed. Because this will let you all know. I guess if you want one that's in the box, just let us know. We'll leave it in the box. Aha. Some parts in that.
Jesus.
I can be a little bit more rougher because this one's ours. Oh, the pedals.
What, they don't come attached?
And another box of stuff.
Ooh.
So, okay, I guess we will work on getting her out, but this is pretty much how it is. And yeah, that looks like a fun seat.
I know, it's squishy. I was like,
It has like gel or something.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we're going to pull her out and we'll come right back.
It's supposed to be like this?
I think so.
Oh, God.
I mean, maybe. It has to do with how your knees are bent, too, so.
That's probably true. I mean,
When you're pedaling.
this would probably be okay. I could probably manage this. This is how I am on dirt bikes.
Yeah.
Whee!
So we got it together. It wasn't actually that hard. I mean, you just put the wheel on. 2 people, of course, makes it a lot easier. You take the wedge out of the calipers and you slide the tire out. I don't know. It wasn't a big deal. You just tighten down the cap on both sides, make sure they're tight. And then there's 2 Allens down here on each side. It's like a motorcycle. You just tighten that down. Again, not a big deal. The handlebars were easy. We just had to figure out to turn the display and which way the handlebars went, and then just mount it right up here. I don't even know what you call those, a steering stem. We had to take the plastic off the battery that they shipped it with. And I see there's plastic down here still.
It's going to be plastic. We'll be finding that for a week.
We'll be finding plastic for weeks. But the good thing with QuietKat is they're in Colorado, a Colorado company. So
We also have to do the air in the shocks too. I need to check what the spec is for that.
oh yes, doing the air.
I don't know if they charge them from the factory or not, but
It felt kind of okay just coming into here, but yeah.
it did, yeah.
Yeah, if we have to add some, we can add some. But yeah, it was a really easy assembly, really. I don't know why people would complain about it. It seems like it works right out of the box. It was even charged to 84%. So there you go. I mean, you can take it out, play with it for a little bit, and then, fully charge it if you plan to ride it, or, probably leave it less charged, obviously. Keep the longevity of the batteries. But yeah, we'll be testing this out, and you'll be seeing videos here probably in the next coming weeks. Thanks for watching.